How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hello everyone, and today I will tell you how to temporarily deactivate your account in the application Instagram. Watch the video to the end to avoid mistakes and follow me. First, go to the Instagram app, then go to profile and touch the option as free strips in the top right corner. Then select the settings and privacy option and go to the account center. Then search and click on the line personal data, then click on the bottom line of the offer, account ownership and control, and then click on the line deactivate or delete. Then select the account you want to deactivate and click on it. Next, select deactivate account and click the blue button continue. Then you need to enter a password from your chosen account to confirm your identity. Next, you need to click on the line continue and mention the reason of your account deactivation if there is no reason to choose any. Then scroll down and press the continue option and then the deactivate account button. That's it, your account is deactivated. In case you want to turn your account to be locked in activated again, you just need to access the account profile. And now you know how to temporarily deactivate your account. I hope it was good for you. Thanks for watching.